Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Indah Safitri. In here, I will be explain about theory childhood. Theory childhood, there are four theory. The first is Jean Piaget. The second is Fotsky. The third Howard Gardner, and then Borner. The first is Jean Piaget. According to Jean Piaget, there are four intellectual grow up intellectual development. Intellectual development. There are he say a very lifelong process in this stage, because this intellectual development, there are four. The first is sensory motoric. The second is pre-operational, and then the concurrent operational. The last is formal operational. The first is sensory motoric. Sensory motoric begin baby 18 months until 2 years. This stage use motor activity by symbol. The example, when a baby asks something to mama or daddy, the baby only just cry, and then when a baby want something, just holding up. This stage is cannot predict reaction, because in interaction and an experience and then pre-operational, the begin 2 years until 7 years old. During this stage, to use language, memorize, and imagination also development. And then the third is the concurrent operational. The concurrent operational, this stage 7 years until 12 years old. They use logical and systematic manipulation symbol. This the example is children begin experience, begin knowledge about something, about all. This experience is in other homes, not only this room or this house, but this children where can know knowledge with external event. And then the last is formal operational, like this takes begin adolescence until adulthood. In this stage, we can know like we are that we can think ways we can take we can take we can think about multiple variables, and then in the systematic ways can formulating hypotheses and think about abstract, and think about abstract is relationship and concept and good concept. And then the second theory is by Vygotsky. According to Vygotsky, there are three intelligence. Uh, there are three intelligence. The first theory is imitative learning, and then instructive learning, and then collaborative learning. We know Lev Semyonovich Vygotsky is best known as educational psycholinguist with sociocultural. And then in imitative learning, we can know new behavior are acquired via imitation. And then in instructive learning, we can know children about process ability to access, organize, and use this pair share strategy. And then the third is collaborative learning. Collaborative learning, we can know children involves peer-to-peer learning that foster deeper thinking in the classroom. Thinking in the classroom. And then the third theory is Howard Gardner. Howard Gardner say in this theory, he is say every woman, every person is have smart multiple intelligence. There are 7 multiple intelligence in this theory Howard Gardner. The first is verbal linguistic intelligence. The second is mathematical logical intelligence, and then musical intelligence, and then the fourth is visual spatial intelligence, and the fifth is bodily kinesthetic intelligence, and then the sixth interpersonal intelligence, and the last intrapersonal intelligence. Okay, the example with verbal linguistic intelligence. This is characteristic in verbal linguistic intelligence. Usually that this person is love words. Yes, love words. Because in verbal linguistic intelligence, that's these children to he like these children like to listening, reading, writing stories, and then he loves sound of words. And then the verbal linguistic intelligence usually has good memory, recall name, and then this profession is the writer. And the second is mathematical intelligence. This characteristic is like to predict, analyze theory, and strong at math, and then problem solving skills. Yes, problem solving skills. This profession is philosopher. Yes, philosopher. And the third is uh, musical intelligence. Musical intelligence, that's the characteristic is bass stroke sounds music, and then with songs is remember easily, and then with this profession is musician, yes, musician. And then the next is visual spatial intelligence. That's the profession is architect or engineer. This is characteristic in this intelligence is imagination. He has or she have imagination active, and then design and decoration, and then the design or decoration, and then like visual support, video, photos, or picture, yeah, poster, yeah, like that. And the next is bodily or bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Usually that's athlete. The profession is athlete. This is characteristic often good a creative drama. This experience is a strong mind and body movement and then commitment to comfort, yeah. And the sixth is interpersonal intelligence. This profession is counselor or teacher, yes, counselor or teacher. This characteristic is usually in life usually makes friends and make enjoy in other friends, and then to company of others, to company of other is good. We can calling about that interpersonal intelligence is good communication skills, yes. And the last is intrapersonal intelligence. Is profession is efficiency experts, yeah. Efficiency expert, that in characteristic is often is daydreamer and self become active, yeah, become active. And then the last theory is Burner theory. Jerome Burner, we can know that Jerome Burner is cognitive psycholinguical as well as cognitive learning, yeah, cognitive learning. This purpose three modes in represented. The first is inactive representation, and then iconic representation, and the last symbolic representation. The first inactive representation is this is based on inaction. This stage begin when a baby birth until 1 years old. And then the second is iconic representation is based on image. The stage 1 years old until 6 years old. And then the third is symbolic representation based on language, usually based on language. This stage begin 7 years old until above. Okay, enough from me. I'm sorry for my mistake. Thank you for attention. And the last, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.